In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn off location sharing on Instagram Map. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Instagram app on your device. Now remember that map feature is turned off by default. So if you have never enabled location sharing, you're already safe. But if you have turned it on before, here's how to disable it. First, you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now scroll down and find the option of story, live and location. Then tap on location sharing. Now you will see your sharing options. You can also tap on this gear icon to see it. Now from here you want to select the no one option. Make sure that you select that. Then tap on the done option to save your changes. Once you do this, your live location will no longer be shared with anyone. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.